Welcome to Katrina's Priceless Home Life and More. On my channel, I share home decor inspiration, outdoor makeovers, indoor and outdoor tablescapes, cooking in my Priceless kitchen, cleaning motivation, and so much more. Videos are uploaded on Tuesdays and Thursdays, sometimes in between as well. Now make sure to follow me on all of my socials. In today's video, we are doing a little outdoor cleaning and prep for the 4th of July. Now, normally, we're not doing all of this raking, but due to the extreme temperatures, the leaves and the straw, well, they just keep on falling. If you're new here, I am Katrina. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And I would love for you to join my lifestyle channel. You know it's free and it's absolutely fun. So subscribe, hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. So that's my little cousin Kylie. You know, I call her number 2. And she's spending the day with me, helping me on the Johnson Ranch. I appreciate it. Sticks, Kylie, Lyric, you know, all of the names I call you. Some days I'm over the top, and other days I'm simply not. Today is one of those days. I just wanted to add the red, white, and blue and subtle touches. I hope you enjoyed today's presentation as we celebrate 250 years. On your way out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Now let's go to the next video.